the session is on. It starts on the 10th of next month. And therefore, the issues, there are too many issues before the state, before the people, and therefore, how we should best manage the time. In other words, how we should best floor manage do floor management during the session. That is the purpose of today's meeting. And while again further enriching us with all the different inputs that's available before our respective colleagues, because as elected representatives, we are always privileged to have access to lots of instances of various problems that confront the people, and which is again common to the rest of the state. So therefore, it has enabled us to again take stock of the issues that is before us and which is confronting the state and the people. And based on that, we have prioritized the issues, and that is how the issues will be taken up under different provision of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the August House. And our friends had many issues, but then obviously we also have to look at the limited time that is available before the members. So we have 3 days listed for government business and 3 days for private members. So we would like to effectively utilize the days which is allocated for private members business, and also the other time which is available for the members of the August House to be effectively utilized under different provisions of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the August House. So that is what we have done. And the issues that we will be taking up is obviously the prevailing sense of insecurity amongst the people across the state, keeping in mind the resurgence and reemergence of various militant activities and insurgent activities across the state. And obviously, the sense of insecurity amongst our brethren who are residing along the interstate border, because of, I must say, the failure to reinstill the sense of security amongst people by the government of the day, and the failure of the government to respond to a given situation when people are subjected to some kind of instances where they are being intruded upon by people from the neighboring state. So these are palpable instances which have been shared with us and is being seen. That's why I'm saying palpable. It's visible. It's being heard. It's circulating in the social media network. So those are issues of instant occurrences which has drawn the attention of the people, and therefore those are the issues which concern the people, and we are deeply disturbed by this development, and therefore this will be one of the issues. I must say, raising of hand by the government while dealing with the challenges of pandemic. And this is for all of us to be seen, and we must ask the government to actually wake up and respond to its call of duty in as far as dealing with these challenges associated with pandemic is concerned.